Hello and welcome back to Metta Minds with Miss Helene. I am Miss Helene and this is the place where we learn to unlock the power of our minds. I hope you had a great 2-week holiday and I'm so excited to have you back with us this term. This term we're going to be starting off with the concept called joy. Joy is a feeling we feel that is happy, excitement, peace, all combined into one. That bubbling up happiness comes from within us. Anara had her birthday in the school holidays, which is why we're surrounded by balloons right now, which is actually fantastic for us to learn about joy. I imagine joy to be like a balloon filling up with air, bursting with excitement. That is what we're going to be doing today, figuring out what joy can look like by using these balloons. To help us learn more about joy and imagine what it can look like, we're going to be doing a little experiment today. You're going to need some vinegar, some bicarb soda, a bottle, and a balloon. If you don't have those things, don't worry. You can watch me do it. Let's go. Let's get our things together and get started. The first thing you'll need is an empty bottle. Any bottle will do. I have a bit of a fancy bottle here today that's used for experiments, but you can use any bottle that you have. Because this bottle has a big opening at the top, I'm going to use this attachment here just to help make it a bit smaller for the balloon to fit without falling right through. You're also going to perhaps need a funnel to help pour in the vinegar. Otherwise, you can do it without this as well, very carefully. We're also going to need our 2 key ingredients, which is bicarb soda and vinegar. And to help us see the joy, we're going to be needing a balloon. Now, I already blew this balloon up to help it stretch out a little bit, and then I deflated it again. First of all, we're going to need 2.5 cups of vinegar. So this measuring cup measures 1 cup. I'm going to pour in 2.5 cups of these into our bottle. All right, 1, 2, and a half of this. I want you to think of this vinegar as our happiness. So that's our happiness right there inside. Now to feel joy, we need to put in a dash of excitement as well. Our excitement is going to be the bicarb soda. Like I said before, the opening of this is a bit too wide, so I'm going to add this attachment. That way, my balloon can stretch over it without falling through. Now, we needed that dash of excitement. So 2.5 cups of vinegar, happiness, 2.5 cups of happiness, and then we need 1 tablespoon of bicarb soda, excitement. There we go. That's 1 tablespoon of excitement ready to go. We don't put this inside the bottle. We're going to be putting this inside the balloon. So for this, you might need a funnel to just help you out. Ready? There we go. All right, now once your balloon is filled up, remember that bicarb soda, that dash of excitement is sitting there in the bottom of the balloon. We're going to put this balloon over this, but we can't let the bicarb soda fall in just yet. So pop your balloon over the hole, make sure it's nice and secure, and then we're going to shake in the bicarb soda so it falls into the vinegar. All that gas that comes out is going to be like joy, and we'll see what happens to the balloon. So we're going to have that happiness there, the excitement ready to go. Once it falls in and mixes together, we're going to see that joy getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Are you ready? Ah, there you go. Look at that. Let's do that again, and maybe this time we'll hold it down. So shuffling that bicarb soda into the vinegar, and look at that. That is so cool. Look at that joy filling right up. A little bit excitement and a little bit happiness, and that's what you get, joy. Next time you see a balloon being blown up, that's what I want you to imagine. Joy filling up, and that's how it feels when it fills up inside us too. Don't forget to clean up your mess afterwards. There is bicarb soda everywhere. This energy is contagious. It lifts us up and spreads to the people around us. Even if we're going through a hard time or something uncomfortable is coming our way, we don't feel it as much because we're experiencing joy in our lives. That's why it's so important to allow ourselves to feel it and allow ourselves to spread it to those around us as well. We'll find out more about how we can do that in the coming weeks. I am so proud of you today. Thank you so much for joining me this week, and I will see you next week here on Metta Minds with Miss Helene.